Sarah, what are you doing here? The fact that you have keys to this house doesn't mean you can barge in anytime you like.
Who are you and what are you doing here?
I'm Michael's girlfriend. Who are you?
You are Michael's girlfriend. You must be the low life Michael keeps talking about. Right.
I beg your pardon. Michael, who's she?
She's...
I am Michael's girlfriend.
I was asking him a question. Allow him to speak.
Hey, you do not speak to me like that. Do you know who I am? Huh?
This girl, did you escape an asylum or something? Because I don't understand.
What's that? How dare you? Why did you hit her like that?
Michael, tell her. Tell her that I'm your girlfriend and we've been together for months. And tell her that I rented this apartment that you both have been having fun inside. And finally, Michael, tell her that her time is up. Next time I come here and find her, my father will hear of this.
Sophia, stop this. Stop, Sophia. Sophia, please, stop. Sophia, please, I've been trying to explain to you. All of it was not real, please. Sophia, please, everything was not real. It was, I and her were not dating. That's what I'm trying to explain, please. I know online it seems like we are having something, but it's just for her fans. Please, I promise you.
Did she really rent this apartment?
Well, yes, most of the things I've gotten since I came to Lagos was through her. It was fully transactional. I was just to act as her guy online and she pays me, that's all.
How do you expect me to believe that over what she said boldly to my face?
Babe, I'm serious. It's nothing. Please, listen to me.
If it's nothing, then why did you tell me about it? Michael, I waited for you. Where you left me. I prayed and waited, Michael.
Sophia, please. Sophia, I'm sorry. Please.
And you're here telling me showbiz.
Sophia, it was not.
Am I a fool?
Please, I'm sorry. Sophia.
Am I some child?
I'm sorry.
Michael,
Please,
don't try to stop me.
Please,
Michael, don't
forgive
try
me.
to stop me. Michael.
I'm honestly sorry.
You're not sorry. You're only sorry because you got caught.
No.
What do you mean no? Were you ever going to tell me?
I would have. I'm sorry. Please, baby, please don't go. Please. Sophia, please, you don't go. Free of charge.
Maybe only,
Yeah?
maybe only free of charge. See your mouth.
Yeah?
Even if you marry me 3 times.
You know
You
give me
pay.
discounts, eh?
Business is business.
Yeah, come, let me carry that bench.
Okay.
It's my babe.
Oh, thank you.
Come and sit down.
Thank you, my love. This is market, though. Lord Jesus, bring forth customers.
I know. It's your food. So, at least you could give me discount.
Yeah, one that discount. You like food?
Yeah,
You like food?
No, I don't like food.
Come on for
I
you.
know it's just your own I like. Customer don't come.
This guy doesn't know what to do.
Give me rice and meat at the age. Sharp.
Where your money?
You say waiting.
Where your money now?
You dey whine me. Abeg, put food for me, Jare. May I dey chop, dey go where I dey go.
Have you paid for the other food you bought the other day?
No, wow. Why you dey do like this? Because I dey owe you small money. You want to embarrass me for public?
Okay.
Calm down, I will pay you money. Put food for me first.
When you bring out the money, I will put food for you.
See this small girl, oh. I mean, if you don't talk like this.
Abby, don't do now. She say if you bring money, you go chop. If you no get money, make you come out now.
Let me tell you now.
Wait, your bingo don't they talk? Abino, wetin concern you for this one, woman rapper? You know, keep quiet.
Now me, they tell that one.
See this one, oh, woman rapper. We know they see you. Where they push wheelbarrow everywhere. Work, you know, get. You dey follow this girl, they push wheelbarrow.
You don't do.
Wait, Sophie, you dey talk to me like this?
Oh yeah, be going, please.
Hey, nice one.
Go
nice
now.
One. And because I dey follow the buy market.
I'm not selling food for
Oga,
you.
you they go now. If you
You they
get
keep
money,
quiet.
chop.
Man they talk. They keep quiet. Woman rapper. Now wow. See people they talk now. She fit be man self. You they follow the talk. Go push wheelbarrow.
I'm not selling food for anybody on credit.
No worry. No worry now.
I'm
I know
not
they come
selling
here
food
come
for
buy
anybody.
again. And my guys know they come. No worry.
No problem. No wahala.
Just
They
imagine
go.
this
They
guy.
go.
They follow me they talk.
Just they go.
At least I no be thief.
Don't mind him. Just leave him. Don't mind him. He's very jobless.
At least see customer.
Customer. Good morning. Rice, how much? Even looking longer than my own. See now. See. See my own stuff. It's just growing and bigger and bigger. Okay. You look like what is this now? Why is your face like that?
It's what Abby said. I've been thinking of it since.
Abby. Are you serious? Everybody knows Abby just talks. Like he's... I don't know, he's just troublesome.
I know, but what he said was right. I mean, I've been thinking about it the whole day.
My love, stop it now. You're not jobless.
It's okay, you don't have to try to make me feel better of myself. You and I know that I'm jobless. I mean, ever since I finished school 2 years ago, I've just been here. The only thing I do is follow you up and down. Even my parents said the same thing.
Wow. I'm sorry to hear that. But you know it's hard to get any job here as an AC technician because nobody really uses AC in this community.
I know. I'm just tired. I'm really tired, babe. I'm tired of everything. I need to leave. Don't get me wrong. I love being around you, but we're not children anymore. We need to start planning for our future. It's because of this I'm honestly praying that my friend in Lagos will allow me to come. Because with the skills I have, I'm sure once I go there it will be better.
Lagos. That place is far, Sha. I miss you.
I'll miss you too. You know, I enjoy being with you. That's why I'm always with you. But left to me, I won't go, but I have to. Because I'm sure if I go to Lagos, after a few months, I can start sending you money. And I can even invite you to come when things settle.
Okay, that sounds sweet.
I won't let you down, okay? I promise.
It's okay. It's as well. Me. It's okay, it's fine.
You want to go back? I tell you just rest.
You want to leave me and go to Lagos?
I don't want to. You do enjoy suffering like this?
Let's suffer together. Yeah, which cream are you rubbing on this head that is giving it white? My favorite customer, so thank you.
I
God
know
bless
you've
you,
been
husband and
trying,
wife.
but I'm asking you to please try your best.
Thank you. Everything.
See, bro, you don't have to worry about that. I promise you I will sort myself.
Forgive us, Billionaire.
I won't be a burden to
I
you,
don't
my
get
bro.
Billionaire.
See, with the skills I have, if I enter the
Thank
course,
you.
I shall see how good
Thank
you
you.
get
Come
money.
back next
If you
time.
want, I can even pay rent with you. Bro, please. See. I know you have tried. So just try a bit more, eh? Okay, I'll be expecting your response. Okay. Please, sorry that I'm disturbing you. It's just that you're the only one I have. Thank you.
What did you say?
He said you just keep trying. He'll get back to me.
I don't think that guy wants you there.
No, Jeff is not like that.
Why is he not wasting time now?
He said he has a troublesome landlord and a girlfriend or something. So he would have to talk to them and get back to me.
Okay.
So we can just hope, or we just have to hope that he actually helps us.
Okay. Well.
I saw you just sold some food. Is it still remaining? Is it much left?
Not much left.
Okay.
I'm even tired. Let's be going.
Me too. You know, let me drop this bench inside before we
Okay.
go now.
Hello, babe.
Hey, sweetheart. I have good news.
Are you serious? Tell me.
Jeffrey finally said yes. He said I can come to Lagos.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. I'm getting ready to leave this weekend.
Wait. Wait. So soon?
Yeah. I have to make it quick now that he has agreed, you know?
Okay.
I don't want him to end up changing his mind.
I'm very happy. I'm happy that you.
Thank you so much. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, babe.
Sorry, I'm just coming. I've been really caught up getting things set for my trip, you know. Why are you quiet?
Am I?
Yes, you are. This is about me leaving, right?
I know it's a good thing. I just don't want you to leave yet.
I totally understand you, and I don't want to leave too. But right now, it's not about what we want, but what we need. If I stay, we'll keep struggling, and I don't want that for us.
You've not even gone yet, and I'm already feeling lonely. So when you go now, who's going to cheer me up? You know you're not just my boyfriend. You're also my best friend.
You know. But I have to do this. You know I'm doing it for you. I'm doing this so that things can be better. Okay? But don't worry. I'll be back soon, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
You want to eat?
Yeah, yes, I'm very hungry.
Your mouth. The food. Food you not here.
You know I can't miss an opportunity with your food now. I have to eat as much as I can.
This is how far I can go, Michael.
What do you mean?
I can't walk you all the way to the park. I can't stand to watch you leave.
Sophia, you know I have to.
I know, I understand. I know it's what you have to do, but it's hard for me. It's really hard for me.
I know it is. I know it's hard, but well, I understand you, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to be talking to you. I'm gonna keep in touch, okay? This is where I say goodbye, okay? Take care of yourself for me, okay?
Hello, my love. How are you today? I love you.
Girl, you're the one that I love. Girl, you're the one that I need. Girl, you're the one I love you. Girl, you're the one that I need. Girl, you're the one that I love. Girl, you're the one that I need. Girl, you're the one that I love. Girl, you're the one that I need.
Welcome to Lagos, my guy.
Thank you so much, bro. This your place no bad though. It's even smelling like enjoyment.
On a small packaging idea. Wait in a particular mosquito go welcome you.
I get mosquito for here too.
Now. How was the journey now?
Bro, it was stressful. Lagos foul.
Man, you can say that again. I can see you're very tired. Just sit, relax, and just have your bath. Let me go and arrange something for you.
Thank you. You know, say I like food, baby.
My guy. You're welcome, man.
Take
care. I'm coming.
In my phone, okay, call my babe. No, babe, I'm fine. I'm fine and comfortable. Yes, I got here safely. The trip, yes, the trip was stressful. Yes, but I've rested. Thank you, babe. Yes, I told you I'm comfortable. Jerry is not that type of person. Yes, I'll definitely keep you posted, okay? Yeah. Please give my regards to your parents and everyone. Yes. I love you, okay? Yeah, bye. I'll talk to you later.
Guy, you know you can actually take today to rest, right?
I know.
You just got into Lagos yesterday and I don't think you should start looking for a job today.
Bro, I'm ready to go job hunting. I came here to hustle. I didn't come here to sleep.
I really like this version of you. Shall I don't go fight conductor today, Sha?
Me, as long as they no fight me first. Bro, please, if you have anybody that can connect me to jobs, please help me talk to them.
Alright, that won't be a problem. I will be on the lookout and I will let you know immediately anything comes up.
Okay, I trust you.
Yeah, sure.
Me on my own side, I'll just be going around to see what I can find here and there.
Okay, bro. I wish you all the best, man.
Thank you, bro.
Alright, there's food in the kitchen. And be careful.
Yeah.
Hold your phone very well. This is Lagos. You need to shine your eye.
Yes. Thank you so much, bro, for the advice. I appreciate
You're welcome. And don't forget to call me when you get lost.
God no go agree.
Alright then, bro. I think I'm good to go. Yeah? See you around.
Okay, now good luck with work, bro.
Alright, bye.
Yeah, hello.
Well done, Oga.
Yeah, well done, morning.
Yeah. I want to see your boss.
Why you want to see my boss?
Actually, I didn't come to see him. I came to work on the ACs.
Oh, you're the AC repairer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, the thing is, my boss is not around at the moment, so I would have to call him to be sure that he asked you to come.
Okay, no wahala. Just tell him it's the AC technician from Jeffrey. Yeah, he told him I was coming.
Oh, just a minute, let me call him.
Yes, no wahala.
Yeah, hello, sir. Sir, there is one, what's your name?
Michael.
Michael. There's one Michael at the gate, sir. He said he's an AC technician from Jeffrey. Yeah. Oh, okay, sir. All right, sir.
Thank you.
Straight.
Okay.
Okay, calm down. You walk out, go. Now you get a house.
No
Let me
vex,
show you.
no vex.
Let's go.
Just listen to me. We can't supply more than 25 bags a day. Yes. Better.
Good day, ma.
Yeah, good day. Who is this young man?
Well, he's the AC technician. He's here to work on the faulty ACs.
Oh, that's true. You're welcome, young man.
Thank you very
My husband told me about you yesterday.
That's nice of him. I'm Michael, ma.
Good to know. So, Abdul, show him the kitchen. The AC there has been faulty for a while. Don't forget to take him upstairs too, to check all the ACs in the room.
Okay, ma. No wahala, ma. No wahala. My bro. Let's go.
Thank you, ma.
Fadekemi.
Yes, ma, coming. Yes, ma.
What are you preparing for lunch?
I'm preparing fried rice, chicken, and plantain, ma.
It's okay. Just make sure you make it nice.
Yes, ma. Thank you.
Hi, you or. So today I decided to grace you or with my face, my beauty. I know you all missed me. I mean, because why not? I'm literally the air you or breathe. Call me with your questions, send them in. Sierra, where have you been? Oh gosh, I have been traveling around the world. I've been traveling, catching the bag, catching the money, the luxury life that you can see wherever you are. You can perceive it. Yeah. What name is that? I'm definitely not going to answer that. Lisa money. Lisa, I hope you have money. Where's your lash from? Oh, my lash is not a Nigerian brand. It's one of the brands I work with in Paris. Yeah, it's not a Nigerian brand, and I know you guys cannot afford it, so there's no even need to influence for you. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I look beautiful, I know. I mean, it's a lifestyle. Sit. Thank you, by the way. Thank you. Minute. No, don't worry, I'm still here. I'm not leaving anytime soon. I'm with you guys. Not leaving. Sarah, show me your boyfriend. Why? So you can snatch him, right? Because that's what you are bitches do.
This place like this, at least this AC they work very well, so we could just put gas.
So stop gas for inside.
But this one we will need change, work on the
That one we did
compressor.
this side safe, but maybe when we come back, when we reach this one.
Okay, so this one to make I just quickly check within the work. For that remind, this one should.
This one, sorry.
I'm so sorry, mom. I'm sorry.
No, I'm not very sorry.
Why you not tell me the person inside?
I say she don't come out.
Father Kemi, where's the food?
It's almost ready, ma.
Okay. Abdul! Ma, what happened?
Get out! I said stop! Who the hell is this young man? Are you mad? Is something wrong with your brain? Because why would you barge into my room without knocking?
Calm down, honey. What happened?
Mommy, don't tell me to calm down. He barged into my room without knocking, and now he has appeared in my live video.
Ma, I'm very sorry. I didn't know there was anyone inside the room.
Joe, where's this guy?
It's the AC technician sent to work here by your dad.
Are you dumb? No, yeah. Are you an illiterate? Why would you barge into a lady's room without knocking? Oh, what if I was naked or something?
So, Madam, I beg no vex. It was partially my fault. We didn't know you were inside.
Just stop. Else I'll report you to the police for invasion of privacy. What if I was naked? What if I was naked or something?
Ma, please, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me, ma.
It's okay, honey. I'm sure the young man didn't mean any harm.
Mom, he ruined my video. And you, just pray nothing messy happened. Else I'll look for you. I'll look for you and you will pay. You pay very hard, silly. Shift. Nonsense.
Abdul, why did you make such a mistake? You were supposed to guide the young man, but you led him into problem.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm very sorry, ma'am.
Young man, have you been able to check everything you came for?
Yes, ma. I was able to compile a list of everything, so I would forward it to Mr. Bankole and we can work from.
Okay, my dear. Please, I'm so sorry for the hiccup. Is that okay?
Ma, thank you very much, man. It's no problem, ma. Okay, very much.
Father Kemi.
Michael, you're back.
Yes, so I'm back. This Lagos, what's going on? The traffic was so terrible. This Lagos is not for the weak, oh.
The good thing is you're catching up. Don't worry, you'll soon get used to it. So tell me, how did it go?
Bro, today was stressful. The man's daughter was just parrying. In fact, I've never been insulted so much in my entire existence.
What happened?
I entered her room by mistake without knocking when I was checking the ACs.
Oh boy. Was she naked?
No.
Did you see anything?
Not at all. She said she was doing live and I ruined it.
Oh, that. But I hope that did not spoil anything.
Thank God, no. It didn't. Yeah, I was able to check and get everything that I needed, so I've sent it to Mr. Bankoli. If he gets back to me, I would go and do that tomorrow morning.
Okay, that's a relief.
Omo, I'm tired, but waiting then at the H, I'm hungry.
This guy, you want food? There's rice.
Rice again. Every day we go to chop rice. You want me to grow from my head?
You never say anything.
I will still chop on when I drop my bag.
Like say you gave me any option.
Hi, girls.
Babe, you are trending on Twitter. Oh. Sierra and a mystery babe is everywhere. Why you dey hide updates from us now? Give us this gist, spill.
Girls, don't be too excited about this.
Babe, the whole internet is obsessed with you and your mystery guy right now. You noticed how your followers went from 1.8 million to 2.6 million in just a few hours? This is big deal, Sierra. So fill us in.
Yes. I like how the internet is talking right now. Let him talk. I'm enjoying it. Oh.
We are your best friends, so at least give us a little hint, you know.
Some things are meant not to be explained. So I like to keep it that way for now.
Now wow, we dey hide update too.
Yeah. I agree. Girls, I have to go.
Okay, bye.
Nah, this Arsenal. Small 2.5 what I give you now. Yeah, club. God forbid. Look, I carry PSG for here. If I carry PSG, 2 points. If you beat this thing.
Abdul!
Hey, madam. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. The guy that you barged into my room with yesterday, do you know him very well?
Not really, ma. Not really. He just came to check the ACs. Yesterday was the first time I'm meeting him. Yesterday.
Do you have his number?
No, ma. No.
You're so daft. Why won't you have our AC technician number? What if the AC goes bad? How would you contact him?
I'm sorry, ma. Very sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Do you know his name? Or you were so slow to even ask him?
He told me, Michael, yes. Michael is his name. Michael, yes.
Okay. Do you know if he'll be coming back today?
Yes, he will. 100. Yes, he has not started the work. Oh. Yesterday, he was just came to check the ACs, but he's going to come back later today to fix it, everything.
So you're very sure that he'll be coming
back? Very sure. 100%. Very sure.
Okay.
But, madam, what is that?
What is it?
Now, wow, these people self, Just carry a wall and come again.
Thank you. Please, if you just join in the live, like, tap, so we can get to more audience. Yeah. What's that? A rose? Like, really? Why would you send me a rose? Of all the gifts to send to me, you choose to send a rose. Please do not send me roses, except you want to get blocked. I mean it. Just send me a rose. There are all the gifts you can send to me. You can send me a lion, or maybe a universe. There's a whole lot of gifts you can send to me, but not a rose, please. If you send me a rose again, I'm going to block you, and I mean it. Except you don't want to join my life again. Okay, thank you, baby lion. Just manage it, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so I'll leave you now to do your work. But if there's anything you want, I'm just outside.
Okay, thank you very much. Sir, I think I'll need ladder. This stuff doesn't seem strong.
I think we have one in the store. Anyway.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
You are Michael, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I wanted to apologize about how I shouted at you yesterday. I was just in a very bad mood. It wasn't intentional. Sorry.
I really appreciate your apology. Means a lot to me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hope my appearance in your live stream didn't cause any trouble.
You did. Yes, but you can fix it. Can you help me with a favor? Yeah, that's all. Oh. Do you understand?
Yeah, you want to introduce me to your fans as your boyfriend, yeah?
Exactly.
Okay.
And all I want you to do is come from my back, like hold me from the back and smile.
Hold you? Why do we have to do that?
So it looks real. So they believe we are lovers. I just want to show them, please.
Okay.
Yeah. So before then, you can press my phone, just act busy before I call you. Yeah. Hi guys. I know I've been off the grid and it's for a good cause, but now I am back, fully back. And also I've been seeing the videos you guys have been dropping about my mystery boyfriend. You want me to reveal my mystery boyfriend, and I'm ready to reveal him to you today. So stay by. Hi baby. Okay, please come. Hi guys. So this is Michael, my boyfriend. We look cute together, right? I know. Michael is so sweet. Michael, say hi to my fans.
Hi.
Hi. Baby, don't worry, just sit. Let me finish with my friends.
Okay.
Guys, I'm seeing your comments. I know, he's so cute.
Thank you so much for dropping me, ma'am.
I've told you to drop that, ma'am. Just Sierra is fine. Okay?
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Sierra.
I like how you say it. Are you on Instagram or TikTok?
No, I don't do social media.
Wait, what?
Well, first of all, I don't have time for that. And secondly, I don't have a good phone to do all of that.
We need to get that fixed in no time. Because my fans loves you already and they are rooting for you.
Yeah, I can see that.
Well, if you ask me, I would say it's a sign first to date.
I really don't know what to say.
Of course you do.
Sierra, I have a girlfriend.
Come on, chill, I'm just kidding. Listen, all I want you to do is play along, okay? You will benefit from this as well.
Okay, but I don't really have much interest in becoming famous.
Nonsense. But you do want to make some good money, right?
Yes, right.
Then let's get it on. I will pay you monthly to be my online mysterious guy.
Oh, you pay me? Really?
Yeah. Trust me. You don't need to waste your time being an AC technician when you look this good. Look, you're going to make a whole lot of money with me. God has answered your prayers.
Wow. I don't know what to say. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Guy, who was that? I'm sure that wasn't a man.
How now? It's Sierra Bankuli's daughter.
Guy, you don't blow. I swear you don't blow.
Very funny.
Senator Bankole's daughter. Wait, wasn't she the one that dissed you the other day?
Well, yeah, she was, but she apologized. We're cool now.
Just cool.
Yes.
You know you can tell me. You know I'm your guy and this is Lagos. I will teach you how to run all these Lagos babes.
There's nothing. We're just cool.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Guy, something is fishy.
Naisabi. Good. Make a good
boy.
I don't tire. Can I find something to chop?
Why you no go tired? I don't do on long course since.
Girl, this your video with Michael is just everywhere on internet, on Instagram, my TikTok, my Snapchat. Like, I'm not even seeing any other content. Just you and Michael. Sarah, you're killing everybody. Like,
you guys are like trending everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter.
Oh my God.
Do you know how rare that is?
Oh, I know. We look cute together.
You're lucky, yo. He's so perfect and so dreamy. Oh my God.
Wait. Have you seen me?
Full package.
You're my
Full
friend.
package, my friend. But then, I hope he's rich. He has to be able to take a, beautiful queen like yourself.
That's true. What does he do?
You guys, you know I don't date broke guys. Of course. I can't date a broke guy. Of course. His dad owns a tech company and Michael runs it. Yeah.
Wow. That's so cool. So he's not just handsome, he also got the bag.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. Oh, my own boyfriend is to be asking, have you eaten from morning till night? Even if I say no, I don't even get nothing, not a dime.
Gang
So
of have you eaten? Me, I cannot take that. I broke up with mine because he could not afford just a wig of 300k. Can you imagine that?
300k.
I broke up sharp. I don't have wig. Yes, so just 300k could not afford it.
What have you guys been dating? I mean, look at yourself. You were so beautiful. No. Please know your worth. If he can't provide for you, if he can't give you if he can't give you money, what are you dating him for? God knows I can't because
we're trying, like for me, I am trying. It just happens to be that I'm so unlucky.
No, you have to know your worth.
I do have to.
God, when are we going to meet this Mr. Michael in person?
Yeah.
You want to meet my baby?
Yeah, sure, of course. Why not?
I need to meet him. I mean, we are your best friends and we need to meet the guy who stole your heart,
There's no problem with that.
It's fine. So, I would make an arrangement and you guys will get to meet him because you are my girls.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. I'm so happy for you, my
My God, Wayne. Just look at them. Ah, so good.
I'm not even seeing.
Wow, this is nice, but you know you didn't have to do this.
Why? Don't you think you deserve a good phone?
No, it's not that. It's just I'm not used to this kind of attention and gift.
Now you have to get used to it, boo. You're with me, so get used to it.
But thank you so much, though. I really love it. It's a nice phone.
I know. You're welcome. You know, it's only right that I treat my man to look this good. I mean, look at how you're looking now.
Your man, Ciara.
I know. Speaking of my man, I already told my friends, Mary and Nelly, that you are my boyfriend. And gosh, they are dying to meet you.
What? Why would you do that? They're your friends. You're supposed to tell them the truth.
No. Why would I tell them the truth? Nobody has to know, okay? I mean, it's just a showbiz and the internet, they are enjoying what we are giving them. It's good for both of us.
But you know I have a girlfriend. What if she sees this?
Michael, I have to go now. Just get ready to meet my friends. And it's gonna be fun. I'll send you the address, date, and time. Okay?
It's okay. Once again, thank you so much for the phone.
You're welcome. Bye, Michael. Hi, Michael. What's up? Please, where are you? You're taking so long. My friends are here already. Yeah, listen. Once you get here, don't talk too much. Very, very important. And if they ask you about your car, just tell them your car is at the car wash. Here. They don't have to know that. According to what I told them, your dad is a successful tech company CEO and you run it. Nobody's gonna know. Yeah. So please, I need you to hasten up. They are here already. And we've been waiting. Yeah. Thank you, Michael.
Wow. You're even finer in person. Photos don't do justice, so. You're so cute.
Ciara, you got a good one this time around. I mean, just look at him. He's so fine. I need to calm down.
Thank you so much. It's really nice to meet both of you.
Pleasure is ours, and Ciara has said a whole lot about you.
Yeah, she did. So Michael, what exactly do you do? Ciara said you're into tech and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I run my father's tech company and I do some investments here and there.
Awesome. She also said you own properties in Lekki.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I have 1 or 2 properties.
He does. Don't be modest, babe. He doesn't like to show off. He's low-key. But he has a whole lot going on. Yeah.
You know, Ciara did say she wanted someone with class and cash. And you look like it.
I love your vibe, Michael. It's given quiet luxury. So pretty.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
How long have you guys been together?
Over a month now. Yeah. You know, he just seems different. There's just this connection, and you know when you feel like, gosh.
Oh, Godwin.
Sierra.
I need a Michael in my life too, you know.
Same here.
So, Michael wants to take us out, and this is on him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That sounds great.
I would love that. So we are going with your car, right?
No, my car is at the car wash, so
I'll just drive. Yeah.
Okay. We are waiting for you.
We're waiting. Don't keep us waiting, please.
Okay.
You don't have any friend, you know. Yeah.
Guy, this one you're looking like this. How was the lunch with Sarah and her crew?
Bro, it was a lot. You won't believe what she put me through.
What happened?
So, okay. Sierra's fans love seeing us together.
Okay.
And she's playing the whole thing as though we're in a relationship. At first, I didn't want to agree. I didn't want any of that. But when money got involved, I agreed. But now she's taking the whole thing and making it very serious.
How serious?
She's introducing me to people and even making me lie. It's even getting so bad to the point that she's sending money to my own account so that I can pay for bills just to look rich in front of her friends.
Wow. Guy, if you ask me, I don't think that's a bad idea. There are a lot of guys out there who would key to be in your shoe, you know? Like me.
God, this is not a funny matter now.
Okay, wait. Didn't you tell her you have a girlfriend?
I did, and she ignored me.
That's serious. So what are you going to do now?
I don't know. I mean, she has really helped me. I am no longer on the streets working. I can even send funds and money home. But I see it's becoming a game I'm not willing to play.
Wow.
In fact, the money she's sending me is so huge. It is way more than what we agreed. It's scaring me. I don't want to get into trouble.
Bro, you're not getting into any trouble. For real. You have the big bag. Just enjoy it. That's all I have to say, man. Yeah.
I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, girls. Okay. I have the best boyfriend in the whole wide world. Guess what? My boyfriend just got me a brand new car. I know. I'm still shaking because I'm shocked as you two, girls. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I have the best boyfriend. I mean, who does it better than him? Oh, I love that man so much. I just love him. He just knows what to Abdul at the right time. He knows how to get me. And you know what? I'm going to be posting the pictures very soon. I mean, why wouldn't I post my favorite birthday gift? Why? Yeah, that's what real love looks like. Money, effort, and care. So if your man cannot get you what you need, dump him. If he can't get you everything you desire, dump him. Know your worth. This year, girls, we are not doing dating for pity and vibes. Yeah, know your worth. I said so. Yeah, yeah, I'm still excited because why not? Like, I have the best boyfriend in the whole world. Why?
Saw your post.
Oh yeah.
How?
My dad got me the car, but I knew it would hit our friends better if it played to be you.
Gosh, Ciara, that's insane. Your father bought you a gift. I didn't have to take the glory for that.
Don't worry. He wouldn't get angry. It's my father, I know him.
God, I know that you are trying so hard for people to see me as your wealthy boyfriend, but this is extremely wrong.
Michael, can you stop complaining and just comply? Huh? Yeah, I told everyone you got me the car, so what? I just want your trend. People do it all the time. It's not a big deal. Gosh.
I'm sorry.
All I need you to do right now is to post pictures of the car with a sweet caption like, "For the love of my life, happy birthday, my queen." That's all. Can you do that?
Yes, I've heard.
Good. Make sure you come by later. We need to go live because our fans are expecting something for us today.
Okay. Did you get the present I sent you?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ciara.
Thanks. And bye.
It's okay. Please stop rewatching the video.
Can you imagine this nonsense? I can't believe that Ciara put this out for the world to see. I can't.
Sweetheart, I know what she did was wrong, but please calm down. Let's hear from her first.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
What is the meaning of all this nonsense we are seeing online? Ciara, why would you tell the entire world that a car that I bought for your birthday was from Michael? Why?
Oh, you saw that.
Yes, we did. So better start explaining yourself, young lady.
Daddy, I'm really sorry. I just got so excited and I wanted to give my fans something spicy to talk about.
And you really think that telling a lie and not telling the truth would be more spicy?
Daddy, Mike and I have already created our brand. And it's just for showbiz. It's just to feed my audience.
What exactly is between you and that boy?
Yes, answer that question. Don't you think your mother and I deserve to know what's going on between the two of you? Because we see all those shenanigans online. What's going on?
Well, I really like him and he's been sweet and he's been kind to me.
Wow. You two are in love?
Well, I wouldn't say yes for him.
Young lady, what is important, young lady, is what you feel for him. Do you really like him?
Daddy, I really, really like him.
And that's all that matters. It's as good as yours.
So, you both are in support of our relationship?
Yes, of course. You know we can do anything to make you happy.
And besides, you know we have always wanted you to get married early.
Exactly. So, I'm forgiving now?
Yes.
Thank you, Daddy.
Only because I know that when people are in love, they do stupid things like that. Like
Thank
I
you,
used
Daddy.
to do.
Thank you, Mommy.
Stop it, sweetheart.
Thank you, Daddy.
Our baby is in love.
Yes, my darling.
We have a wedding to plan.
Look, looks good.
Wow. Wow.
Just my perfect taste for the lifestyle I want you to portray.
Wow, Sierra, this is amazing. This place is so beautiful.
The TV too. It's not so big.
It's very big. All this for me.
You could manage.
Wow.
Let me show you upstairs.
Oh my God, Sierra, thank you so much. Wow, look at upstairs. Oh my God.
Wait. Say that again. You're no longer squatting with Jeffrey.
Yes, my love. I now have my own place.
Oh, that's so nice. Since when?
I moved in 2 days ago.
Wow. So like this now, you are now a landlord.
Sophia, I didn't buy the house. I'm just a tenant.
Oh, okay, it's different, sorry. I understand now. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
So, but this your new work is really fetching you money.
It's not just that. I have other online stuff that I do now.
Oh, okay. So, when am I coming to visit you now? No, I miss you.
Sophia, you know I miss you too. I want you to come, but I need some time to finish setting up.
Okay. You better hurry up, Sha. Hurry up.
Same here.
Me, I can't wait.
Plus, I miss your delicious meals.
I know, you like food so much. I know.
So how you know, my small girl?
My big boy. I'm fine. I'm just here.
And your parents?
They're fine too. They're grateful for the money you sent last week. Also, I've done the JAM registration.
Wow.
The money you sent me.
That's nice. Of course, you know it's nothing. I'm willing to do more for my baby and my soon-to-be in-laws.
Stop, Joe. But you shall do fast. Hurry up. I can't wait to see you.
When the world feels heavy and the nights grow long, you're the quiet whisper, you're my healing song. In the darkest moments, you're the light I see. You're the calm inside the storm, you're my gravity. And I've been broken, I've been lost, but you found me at any cost. You're the reason I believe, you're the air that I breathe. You're my shelter, you're my peace. In your love I find release. Every scar, every tear, you make it all just disappear. Oh my love, you're my guide. In your arms I can confide. You're the hope I've always known. With you, I'm never alone. When the shadows linger and the doubts creep in, you're the voice that tells me we can start again. Every word you say, it's a gentle flame. You're the reason I'm still standing. You're my saving grace. I've walked through fire, I faced the rain, but your love's the balm that heals my pain.
Who said I love you first? Baby, would you answer this?
Well, yeah, she said it first.
No, you did. No, he did. Actually, he did.
Nah,
Maybe
that was you.
Okay, I'll take that. We said I love you to each other at the same time.
Whatever, yeah.
Someone said, you're so lucky to have him. Yeah, he's such a sweet guy. I agree. He's literally the sweetest guy I've ever met and I've ever been with. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I promise you I forgot that you guys were watching us. That'll be all for now. I'll come back later. Yeah. 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 What's wrong?
Why did you do that? Why did you kiss me?
Because I wanted to.
You can't just do that. We can't do things like that.
Why? You're my boyfriend.
Online. I'm your boyfriend online. And there are limits to the things we can do. I told you, I have a girlfriend.
Oh, yeah, you go again. Michael, to be honest, I don't give a damn about your girlfriend. See, I like you. I like you. I've fallen in love with you.
But no. That can't be true.
You think this is all about showbiz? This isn't showbiz anymore, Michael. This is real.
Sierra, I know you're a beautiful lady and an amazing person. But we can't be anything real. I have someone that my heart belongs to.
Oh, you're right. What does she have on me?
Oh, God, Sierra.
No, because I want to know. She doesn't love you, Michael.
Oh,
I do.
God, Sierra, please stop talking like that.
Michael, we are rich. We can pay her off. We can give her money. She can start up a business. We can pay her. My dad has enough money. And I promise you, she would not hesitate to choose money over you, Michael. Just...
You know, I can't do this right now. I can't.
Really?
Oh, no.
Where are you going?
I'm going home. This wasn't what we agreed on.
Think about it. You'd come back. You come around. I know.
Hey, babe.
Hey, boo. Guess what?
What?
Just guess.
You know I hate guessing and I'm bad at it, so just tell me.
Okay, I'm calling you from a motor park in Lagos.
What?
Yes, now.
You're in Lagos now?
I decided to surprise you. I started planning it after you told me you had gotten your own place.
Oh my God! Wow, that's nice. You should have told me.
Well, where's the fun in that? I need you to come pick me up.
Where are you right now?
I'll text you the address right away.
Okay, I'll be expecting it. Send it immediately. Ah, babe, this food is so nice. What did you put inside? What magic did you do?
It's not magic, my love. It's my secret ingredients.
My goodness, this food is so delicious.
I know.
This is the first time I'm having real food since I came to Lagos. I'm serious. I've missed this so much, babe.
Oh, wow. Don't get used to it.
Why?
Because I have just a week here.
Oh, no, babe. Please stay a little longer.
Oh, you're going to be my bride price.
We'll work on that. So how is everyone?
Everyone is fine. Your mom gave me foodstuffs to give you.
That's nice.
And she also gave me scent leave.
My favorite.
I know.
Oh my god. She told me that you have been checking up on her. Thank you so much. You know it means a lot.
Anything for my soon-to-be-in-law.
You just stole my line.
Allow me to steal it in peace, Vito.
Gosh, babe, I'm so full. Okay, let me come.
The world feels cold. You're the warmth that I hold. Your voice, it carries me through. Every word feels like it's just for you. Your smile, it lights up the room, chasing away every shade of gloom. In your eyes I see the stars align. Edith, you're one of a kind. And I don't say it enough, but you're the light when things get tough. You're the calm in the storm, the fire that keeps me warm. Edith, you shine brighter than the stars at night. You're the reason everything feels right. In your eyes I see a world so true, and I'm so grateful just to know you. You've got a way of turning ordinary into the most beautiful day. Your laughter's a melody, your heart's pure gold. With you I've found a story untold. You're the quiet in the chaos, the peace in my mind. A treasure like you is so hard to find. Edith, you're my guiding light. You make everything feel right. And I don't say it enough, but you're the light when things get tough. You're the calm in the storm, the fire that keeps me warm. Edith, you shine brighter than the stars at night. You're the reason everything feels right. In your eyes I see a world so true, and I'm so grateful just to know you.
Hi, baby.
Sarah, what are you doing here? The fact that you have keys to this house doesn't mean you can barge in anytime you like.
Who are you and what are you doing here?
I'm Michael's girlfriend. Who are you?
You are Michael's girlfriend. You must be the low life Michael keeps talking about. Right.
I beg your pardon. Michael, who is she?
She's...
I am Michael's girlfriend.
I was asking him a question. Allow him to speak.
Hey, you do not speak to me like that. Do you know who I am? Huh?
This girl, did you escape an asylum or something? Because I don't understand.
What's that? How dare you? Why did you hit her like that?
Michael, tell her. Tell her that I'm your girlfriend and we've been together for months. And tell her that I rented this apartment that you both have been having fun inside. And finally, Michael, tell her that her time is up. Next time I come here and find her, my father will hear of this.
Sophia, stop this. Stop, Sophia. Sophia, please, stop. Sophia, please, I've been trying to explain to you, all of it was not real, please. Sophia, please, everything was not real. It was, I and her were not dating.
That's what I'm trying to explain, please. I know online it seems like we are having something, but it's just for her fans. Please, I promise you.
Did she really rent this apartment?
Well, yes, most of the things I've gotten since I came to Lagos was through her. It was fully transactional. I was just to act as her guy online and she pays me, that's all.
How do you expect me to believe that over what she said boldly to my face?
Babe, I'm serious. It's nothing. Please, listen to me.
If it's nothing, then why did you tell me about it? Michael, I waited for you. Where you left me. I prayed and waited, Michael.
Sophia, please. Sophia, I'm sorry. Please.
And you're here telling me showbiz.
Sophia, it was not.
Am I a fool?
Please, I'm sorry.
Am I some child?
I'm sorry.
Michael,
Please,
don't try to stop me.
Please,
Michael, don't
forgive
try
me.
to stop me. Michael.
I'm honestly sorry.
You're not sorry. You're only sorry because you got caught.
No.
What do you mean no? Were you ever going to tell me?
I would have. I'm sorry. Please, baby, please don't go. Please. Sophia, please, you don't go, please. Sophia, please, don't. Sophia, no. I'm begging you, please. To come and see me. No, don't worry about that. Just tell her to come and see me urgently.
What are you doing here?
Why would you do that? Why would you raise your hands on my girlfriend?
I hope she's far gone by now.
Yes, she is. And you know what? This thing between us, it's over. Everything is over.
What is over? You're kidding, you're kidding, right?
No, I'm not. It's completely over, Ciara.
What do you take me for? Do I look stupid to you? No. Do I look stupid to you? I picked you up from the gutter. I brushed you. I gave you this little life you think you have. And you think you have the audacity to call the shot. Huh?
See, I played my part. And I kept my own side of the bargain.
You were a broke technician when I met you. I gave you everything. I fed you. I paid you more than you deserved. I paid you more than you worked for.
And I appreciated you for that to the best way I could. And I never asked for any of this. But I was still very honest with you from the beginning.
You know, you're ungrateful. Turning me down because of that wretch. I must have really overestimated you, Michael.
Ciara, you're free to call me whatever you want. Or say anything. I don't care. But this thing that we have is over.
It's over. What is over? What do you want people to talk about? What do you want people to say?
Oh my God,
what do you want them to say?
Ciara, I don't care. The only thing I'm concerned about right now is how to try and get Sophia back. Is that the best you can do? Yeah, go ahead. You can do that over and over again. If that's what will make you sleep better at night.
Michael, you really want to flush down everything I have worked so hard for down the drain? Huh? You
know what, Ciara, just forget about me. Forget about me totally.
Where's the water I asked for?
You said I should not bring it again.
You know what? Just get out. Get out! Mommy.
What happened? Tiara, talk to us.
Why are you crying? Why?
Daddy, can you imagine? I went to visit Michael and I saw some girl in his house and I confronted him. He slapped me.
What? Was he high on something? I mean, what gave him the guts to lay a finger on my only child?
Daddy, you know I love Michael so much, right? I'm just scared that he's about to dump me.
That's an insult to the Bankoles.
Never.
My daughter.
Ever happen. Never.
Sweetheart, we let that boy into this family. So he wants to walk away like this?
He will learn that leaving my daughter is not a decision taken lightly. He can only leave when Sierra says it is over. And I'll make sure about that. Don't worry. I will remind him who he's dealing with.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Sweetheart. Sorry, my love.
Okay, Mommy.
Sorry.
Hello, DPO.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't touch her. I didn't lay my hands on her. We just had a misunderstanding, sir. I honestly don't know where all of this is coming from, sir.
I can see. You're not ready to talk.
Sir,
Sir,
please. I'm saying the truth, sir. Sir, oh God. What kind of problem is this? God, please. God, please. God.
Hi, Daddy. Mommy, please, can I talk to you?
This is Michael, right?
Yes.
Princess, he laid his hands on you. So for that reason, let him remain in that custody till the end of this month, if not longer.
No, please, not like that. I don't want him to rot in jail. I just want him to pay. Just want him to know what it means to lose everything, and then he comes back crawling.
I'm not following you.
Daddy, use your influence. Don't just throw him away. Control him, press more charges, drag his name to the mud. And when he's broken enough, he would come back begging. Yes, Daddy.
I know you like him, but let's be honest here. Sweetheart, Princess, you shouldn't be with a man who can hit you.
No, Mommy. He didn't mean to. He loves me. He just doesn't know that yet. And that's why we need to remind him who has the power.
Let me understand this. You want to have power over him.
Exactly.
And you want to be able to control him, right?
Exactly, Daddy. I'm going to, with your influence, gosh, piece of cake.
If that's what my baby wants, who am I to refuse my princess?
Thank you, Daddy. Mommy?
Come on, sweetheart. You know I can't refuse you anything, especially when your happiness is involved.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Daddy.
So, what we're going to do is that we're going to turn on the screws.
Yes, yes.
Introduce a financial fraud charge. Get some false witnesses.
Thank you,
trust
Daddy.
me, by the time we are through with you, he will come crying back to you.
Yes, Daddy.
That's what
That's what I need. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you are finally broken up with that your broke boyfriend?
Yes, I had to. The guy was just giving me headaches. Oh, please. She means he just got poorer before.
Oh my God.
Guys, it's not funny. Oh, but it's true. You did the right thing for yourself, darling. My next relationship, I won't dull. I won't make this kind of mistake ever again.
That's the spirit, girls. That's the spirit.
Seriously. If he is not as handsome and rich as Michael, then I don't want. Bikonu. I concur to that. We're all looking for a perfect relationship like you, Sarah.
You'd have to really work for it. I mean, really hard.
Speaking of Michael, it's been forever since we saw you and him do anything together. Where is Mr. Loverboy hiding? That's true. Here, no TikToks, no skits, no cute couple reels, nothing.
He traveled.
Traveled? Without you? To where?
He went on a business trip to Canada. He wanted me to go with him, but I told him I had a lot of stuff going on.
You should have gone with him now.
No, there's no need. Because he went there for a business meeting. He wouldn't even have my time. Yeah, he'll be back soon.
Alright, don't miss him too much. Is that even possible? I'm sure she's been crying herself to sleep because the love of her life is away. I'm sure you guys will do a welcome back video.
Yeah, you're right. And we might be taking things to the next level.
Really? Oh my god, are you guys talking about an engagement party or something?
Girls, I won't explain further. Just know that I and Micah's upcoming video is going to blow the internet. Everybody's going to talk about us.
Yay! Go, go.
Yeah. Girls, I had to call you back. I have to call you guys back. I need to do something. Talk to you guys. Bye. Whew.
Officer, please, please, I swear I didn't do anything. I didn't hit her. I will never do such a thing, sir. I'm being framed, sir, please.
If you say that one more time, I will ask them to give you more beatings. What do you mean you're framed? Are you telling me that we did not carry our investigation properly?
No, sir, that's not what I'm saying. I'm sorry, sir. I'm just saying that I didn't do any of these things.
I don't think you understand the gravity of the kind of mess you are just gotten yourself into. If I were you, I would stop denying and start begging for forgiveness.
Sir, beg for something I didn't do. I don't understand. Sir.
Rape, physical assault, fraud, theft. These are the charges that have been pressed against you, and you say you are innocent.
Sir, rape, sir, fraud, sir, theft. Sir, I would never do such a thing. I did do it.
Young man, just leave all this thing you are saying. Just beg, and you'll get your freedom. Stop denying. Just go and beg.
Sir, please. I didn't do anything, sir. Sir, please, sir, I didn't do anything. God, please, God, please. Just because.
So once again, I want to say thank you for everything. I went astray and I did some things that I shouldn't have done, sir. So I really appreciate everything you did. I'm very grateful, sir.
That's all right, son. You know, your mistakes are not what define you. You see, what matters is what you do to fix it, if you know what I mean.
Yes, sir. Definitely I do, sir. I would make this right. I promise you, sir.
You had better.
That's good to hear, dear.
Hi guys. So you all said you missed my baby. My baby is here.
Well, guys, I missed you too. How was Canada? Canada was fine, but I didn't have so much fun though, because I went there for work. Yeah.
Yeah, he didn't have so much fun. And he didn't take pictures because his baby didn't go with him, his camera woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well, guys, I just want to say thank you very much for joining the live stream.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for the gift. Okay, so I said we should have this live because I have something to announce.
What? Michael, what do you have to announce?
Well, I want to say something in front of everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, so, Sierra, since
Oh my God, Michael.
since the day I met you, I have not seen anyone like you. You're such an amazing person, and we have gone through a lot of things that would have broken us apart, but we are still standing. So, even when I didn't deserve you, you still stayed. So I want to ask you the big question, Sierra. Will you marry me?
Yes, yes, Michael. Yes, 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 Michael. Yes, yes. Yes, Michael.
Oh my gosh. I was scared for a second that it might not fit.
It fits so perfectly.
Yeah.
This is so beautiful.
I was also scared you might say no, but I love you so much.
I love you too, Michael. Thank you. Guys, see who's getting married. Oh my gosh. Michael, this is so beautiful. This is really beautiful.
I'm glad you love it. I'm glad you love it. You deserve more.
Thank you, Michael. You're so sweet. Guys. Oh my gosh.
I was also scared it might not fit too, but
No,
I'm
fits.
glad
It's
it
so
did.
beautiful. Thank you, Michael.
Oh.
Michael, I love you. Guys, see who's getting married. Mommy, Daddy, I want this wedding to be massive. I'm talking about drones, live bands, different kind of food. I'm definitely going to wear like 5 different kind of outfits.
Wow. That's a little too much, no, don't you think? Why can't we just do something simple?
Simple? Just take a look at your bride-to-be. Does she look simple to you? Sarah is our only daughter.
Yes.
And our wedding have to be one of the biggest weddings in Africa.
Yes, Mommy. Mommy, you can say that again. I want this wedding to be huge. I want this wedding to shut down the internet. And I want to train for the rest of the year. Yeah.
That's my girl. I want the whole of Nigeria to know that Senator Bankole's daughter is off the market. All my people in Abuja, the governors, the CEOs, the ambassadors, all of them will be there.
I trust you,
and we are going to deliver a 5-star wedding event. Yes. That's right.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, I have spoken to a photographer from Dubai. He has worked with the Kardashians before. Yes.
Wow. That's huge.
Thank you. Gosh, the cake, Mommy. I want a 7-tier cake. The one that screams luxury.
Cake. Alaja Meje.
So I totally understand you, Daddy, Mommy, but can we afford that?
What type of nonsense question is that? Have you forgotten who our father is? I will take care of everything.
Oh, wow, that's really amazing, sir. Wow, thank you so much, sir.
Huh? We are set to receive your parent by next week. Hey, Michael, make sure the plan doesn't change.
No, not at all, Mommy. My parents are scheduled to come on Friday, just like we had planned, so everything is fine.
Awesome! Now let's get down to some serious wedding planning. Yes. Oh, by the way, Flavor Nabania, since he heard about this wedding, he's been troubling me. He says he wants to come and sing for you. Oh my God! Yes, Flavor.
For me.
Yes.
Why do
I feel like this is like the last group call we'll be having in a while.
Oh, I'm just getting married. I'm not traveling to the center of the earth. Chill.
This is really happening. The wedding is in 2 weeks and you're already trending. I'm just glad I get to sit front row to the drama. Right? I mean, who wouldn't die to be Ciara's best friend right now? This is what a marriage ceremony should look like now. Everything is just on point.
I know. You know I don't do basic. I don't do average. This wedding is going to be the biggest wedding in Africa. I mean, the biggest wedding of the decade, babes.
Wait. You haven't addressed the most important question here. Ciara, who is going to be your maid of honor? Maria, beg. Let's not pretend we don't know it's me. I've been planning Ciara's wedding for as long as I can remember. Girl, please. Ciara and I go way back. I have seen her through every breakup, every bad decision, and every I am done with men face. I was her only best friend before you came along in school, remember? Don't mind Nelly. She won the wine menu. Ciara, oya choose.
Gosh, you two are insane.
She doesn't have to. I am the one.
Okay. Before you tear yourself apart, I have made my decision. You two are my co-mates of honor.
What? So I have to share my spotlight? You wish. I am the one who is sharing.
Hello. Guess what? Do you know that Precious has been begging me to be on my wedding train?
Wait, are you serious?
Telling you. I'd have to talk to you girls. My baby's here. Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
Dad has sent us the full money sponsoring our wedding.
Already?
Yes. And guess what? I'll be sending you 60% of it.
Why?
Because you need to get serious with the wedding. I'm not about to take this whole thing on my head. You are the groom, so participate.
Huh, for sure, babe.
So we are doing this. We are doing it.
Yes, we are. Let's go to bed, okay?
Yes,
I know you're excited, but I'm really tired.
Sweetheart, I'm going to the warehouse for stock taking. Honey, just make sure you are safe. Huh? Princess, you are looking tired. Hope you are all right.
I'm okay, Mommy.
My daughter, no. You are not looking good at all. Come.
Ciara. You are not looking or sounding good. This is not your usual glowing self. Is anything wrong?
I haven't seen Michael for 2 days, Daddy. 2 days, and he hasn't been picking my calls. No text, no call, nothing.
My darling, there must be a reason for that. Maybe he's busy with work or wedding preparation. You know how men get worked up about these things.
Mommy, 2 days is a lot. This is unlike him.
Ciara, don't jump to conclusions. Sometimes people just shut down, especially men like him who are not used to this type of attention and stress. Huh? Don't worry, we'll show up.
No, Daddy, what if he ghosts me?
My darling,
Oh.
your father is right. Very soon he will walk in here now, and everything will be fine.
Daddy, what if he ghosts me? What if he doesn't show up? What?
What if this marriage doesn't hold? Shh! Don't say that. He wouldn't dare stand us up. Michael, he will never try it. He will never try it. Don't be scared, my dear.
Listen, you know what will happen? Let us give it till the end of today. And if there's no word, I'll make a few calls. So, sweetheart, you don't worry your pretty head about anything. Daddy's here and I'll take care of everything.
Okay, don't be scared, my darling. Or you follow me to the warehouse.
No, Mommy, please, I don't want to go to the warehouse.
You don't want to work with me today? Then calm down. Relax.
DPO, are you sure of what you're saying? Have you confirmed this?
Yes, sir. Michael is nowhere to be found. I am sure he has left the state. We visited his apartment earlier and figured out it is no longer his. However, the man we met said he just rented the place last week and that he bought everything inside for Michael. Furniture, electronics, everything in the house.
So, he sold all his things and now he has vanished, disappeared.
It appears so, sir, and believe me, he has been planning this for a while because he left no trail. I am sorry about this, sir. I will do everything in my power to get to the root of his whereabouts. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, DPO. But please, I want you to keep this thing discreet, but keep digging. And let me know immediately anything changes, okay? Okay. My dear.
Sweetheart, is this a joke?
No, honey. It is real. Michael has vanished.
Oh my God. All this time? He was pretending.
Yes.
Honey, he used our daughter. He played all of us. My God. Now tell me, how do we even tell Princess? How do we tell her?
I don't know, because this will break her. This will break her. But we really should have never forced him into the marriage. We shouldn't have.
Honey, Princess lost him. But what kind of man does this?
A coward. That's who. But trust me, nobody stays hidden forever.
Exactly.
When I find him, he's going to wish he stayed lost.
Sweetheart.
Mafia J.
I trust you.
Mafia
must not go
J.
free.
Just let me find him first.
I trust you.
Just let
he
me
can't go free. No.
What do you mean you still haven't found him? No, Mr. DPO, you must find that man. He couldn't have disappeared off the face of the earth. Find him, Mr. DPO, find him.
Good afternoon, sir. Please, is Sarah around?
She's somewhere upstairs. You can call her.
Sarah!
My daughter, how are you?
Good afternoon,
How are
ma'am. Please, ma'am, we are looking for Sarah. We need to see her.
Are you visitor here? You know your way around.
No, ma'am, we are good right here. She needs to come down, ma'am.
Here she comes. And you don't want to sit down?
No, we are fine.
How about you sit down?
My dear.
Sarah, have you seen what's going on? Like, you've not been with your phone all this while. Like blogs, Insta blog and everywhere.
What's going on?
Check the gram.
Or do you need to use my phone?
I don't have time for this.
What?
Check the gram!
Lady, excuse me, please.
Hello, Ciara. By the time you're watching this video, I'll be long gone and out of the country, living my best life with the person I truly love. I'm sorry I had to end it this way, but you left me no choice. You forced me into a relationship. Yes, I was broke. And yes, you paid the bills. Yes, you made it seem like I was a rich and successful man. But I never begged for any of this. I never asked to be your project. And you know, I had dreams that I wanted to work on, and I had someone I wanted to build those dreams with. You and your family were going to ruin me. You believe money fixes everything, and you think with money you can buy people, but not everybody can be bought. You're beautiful, Ciara, and I hope you find someone that truly loves you. But that person was never me. I also believe that the world deserved to know the truth. I hope you all have a nice life. Thank you.
How could you, Ciara? How could you? So everything about Michael was a lie. You let us believe in your fantasy. You fed us with lies, like lies. And you call us your friends. Ciara, your best friends. You said he was a multi-millionaire. But then you lied. So you've been the one paying all the bills. Ciara, I broke up with my boyfriend because of you. Because of your lies! You know what? I think you deserve whatever you're...
Nelly, Maria, leave the house! Leave the house! What was that? Leave my house!
Sarah, my daughter, don't do this, please.
No.
My daughter.
No. Stop looking at that. Stop looking at that. It's okay.
Please, my daughter, please.
How could he do this to me? How could he do this to me? How could he, after everything? After everything, how would Michael do this to me? How could he?
Ciara, sweetheart, take it easy. Don't do anything stupid, Ciara. Listen, your mom and I love you very much, and that's what's important. Ciara, come on.
My baby girl, please. Don't do anything to yourself, please. You'll get over this.
No, mommy, don't say that. This is a lot for me. The embarrassment, the shame, and the comments. Mommy, the block too. This is the end of the world for me, Daddy. Daddy, find Michael. Find him so he can pay for this. Daddy, find him so he can pay for what's in me. Find him for me, Daddy.
Ciara, listen, I'll do anything you want. Just open this door and let's come in.
No, Daddy, I'm not opening the door. Please just leave me alone. Just leave me. Leave me alone.
Ciara, you can't do this to yourself. You haven't even eaten anything all... Please.
Michael, are you seriously going to do this?
Yes, I can't marry Ciara. Especially when I was threatened and forced to.
Man, you've been living the good life. I mean, the fancy restaurants, the designer clothes. She even got you a car and a place of your own.
Yes, but all of that came at a price that I didn't bargain for. Have you forgotten what happened to me when I told them I was not interested?
Yeah, so how do I come in?
Well, I want you to relocate. You've always told me that you want to move to Lekki, and I can assist you financially.
Wow, I love the offer, but how does that help your plan?
Well, I just want you to be safe. Ciara has brought me here a couple times, and if I leave the country, they're definitely going to trace me back to this place.
Wow, that's so smart of you.
Yeah, I don't want to have to drag you into this.
Thank you for thinking about my safety.
2 weeks, I'm going to vanish. No text, no message, no goodbyes. I've already contacted someone that deals with discreet travels. And I'll leave the country quietly and I'll travel with Sophia.
Okay, so what country are you going?
My bro, it's best you don't know much, because the less the better.
Okay, if you say so. I wish you all the best, my friend, and make sure you stay safe.
I will.
Yeah. Wish you all the best, man.
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. You have really been amazing.
Welcome. Take care.
You've been the best to me.
You're welcome. Always.
Thank you.
So have you checked your results?
Not checked, dude. Not checked yet. Check
too.
later. Have you?
I'm just so very scared. I might just doing bang.
Yeah, take.
Thank you. Spoon.
You're welcome. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Sophia. Sophia, please, just 5 minutes. That's all I'm asking. I know you think that I betrayed you and all of that, but I did not. Yes, I didn't tell you about Ciara, but I never lied, Sophia. Sophia, I was in prison for a few days.
Prison.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, after you left, I went to confront her. And I told her I wasn't interested in everything anymore because I thought it was all going to be online. But after that, I just got arrested and I was accused of things I didn't even know about.
I'm so sorry that happened to you. How did you manage to get out?
Well, her dad is a senator and very rich and influential, so if I didn't do what they wanted, they would have left me there for as long as they wanted.
That's why you made that proposal video. What? Why are you looking at me like that? I saw it online.
Yes, but I don't plan to marry her. I just did it to buy myself some time and arrange myself to leave the country.
We're leaving Nigeria.
Yes, and this time for real. I want a fresh start and a new beginning. I've told my parents about it and they agree. But Sophia, most of all, I want you to come with me.
Are you serious?
Yes, more than I've ever been in my entire life. Sophia, I love you. And you're the one I hold most dear to my heart. So please, if you can say yes to come with me, you would make me the happiest guy in the whole world. Please.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my God, thank you so much. People have missed you. Oh my God.
When the world feels heavy and the nights grow long, you're the quiet whisper, you're my healing song. In the darkest moments, you're the light I see. You're the calm inside the storm, you're my gravity. And I've been broken, I've been lost, but you found me at any cost. You're the reason I believe, you're the air that I breathe. You're my shelter, you're my peace. In your love I find release. Every scar, every tear, you make it all just disappear. Oh my love, you're my guide. In your arms I can confide. You're the hope I've always known. With you I'm never alone. When the shadows linger and the doubts creep in, you're the voice that tells me we can start again. It's a gentle flame. You're the reason I'm still standing. You're my saving grace. I've walked through fire, I faced the rain, but your love's